I've never made a public video before, but now that I'm locked up at home for a couple of weeks, I thought I would share how I went about doing a project. This is not a how-to video. That's not my goal. I just wanted to do this project, which is assembling a bicycle and sharing it with friends, and then making the video, and that's also a project. So I'm doing stuff at home. So I hope this works, and if not, well, you can stop watching now. So here's the frame of the bike. It's called a Fubi Fixie, and actually it could be called a folding Fubi Fixie, which would make it an alliterative vehicle, and I'll have to explain why I even bothered to buy this bike. So it came shipped from Finland. It's a Kickstarter project that I invested in 4 years ago. And there's the frame, pair of wheels, bunch of parts. I'll get a few tools out and that sort of thing. The reason that they called it a fixie is because the rear hub was supposed to be fixed, but it's got front and rear brakes, and this is a freewheeling hub, and in fact it's a 3-speed. So there's nothing fixie about this bike, thank goodness, because riding a fixie in San Francisco, which hipsters used to do, is just ridiculous given our hills. So I bought it because at the time the only way you could get a bicycle onto our BART Rapid Transit is to have a folding bike during commute hours. Between the time I invested in this bicycle and when I received it, they removed that restriction and I retired. So there really wasn't a direct reason for having it any longer, but here it is. So let's see how she rides. Well, that worked out great. It needs a little tuning. Steering head bearing is a little
loose and a couple other things, but new bike, folding bike.